Hi everyone, I am Srikanth. We are discussing programming in C language. The topic is about basics of C programming language. The agenda of the session is about constants in limits.h header file with suitable examples. Limits.h header determines various properties of the various variable types. The macros defined in this header limits the value of various variable types like char type, int type, and long type. Limits.h includes definition of the characteristics of common variable types. The values are implementation specific but may not be of lower magnitude than certain specified values in a conforming C implementations. The C99 standard also specifies the stdint.h header file which provides names and limits for explicitly sized platform independent integer data types. Example like int 32 underscore t for a 32-bit signed integer. Limits.h provides the constants of what? The min range and maximum range of the type like char type, int type, long type. Char underscore bit is a constant available in limits.h header file. It's the bits in a char. It occupies what? 8 bits. Char represents what? 8 bits. Char underscore max, maximum value of a character like s char underscore max 127 plus 127. See, char underscore max or s char underscore max, it consists what? 127 plus 127 range, maximum range. Char underscore min, minimum value for character. S char underscore min. S char underscore min, minimum value of signed char minus 128. See, the character or signed character min and maximum range is minus 128 to plus 127. So as we discussed in detail in the previous video session with example programs of what? Character type. Next, int underscore max, maximum value of integer is plus 32,767. Int underscore min, minimum value of int is minus 32,768. The range of integer is minus 32,768 to 32,767. See, this integer is going to be varies based on the bits of memory. Long underscore max, maximum value of long is 2147483647. Long underscore min, minimum value of long is minus 2147483648. Like short underscore max, shrt underscore max, the name of constant name of what? Limits.h is short underscore max. Maximum value of short is 32,767. Short underscore min is minimum value of short is minus 32,768. The range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. U char underscore max, unsigned char, maximum value of unsigned char is 255. There is no minimum range of unsigned character. Assume 0 to 255 unsigned characters are available. So as we discussed in the ASCII table, right? Up to the 127 characters are signed characters. So up to 0 to 255 characters are what? Unsigned characters. Like you int underscore max means unsigned integer. Maximum value of unsigned integer is what? 65,535. Like min is what? 0 to 65,535. In case of unsigned integers, the minimum range is what? 0 to 65,535. U long underscore max, maximum value of unsigned long is 0 to 4294967295. U short underscore max, maximum value of unsigned short is what? 65,535. See, this is the detailed name, constant name, description, typical value, ANSI standard, minimum or maximum magnitude value. Like char underscore bit, number of bits in a char occupies 8 bits. S char underscore min, minimum value of a signed character is minus 128. S char underscore max, maximum value for a signed character is plus 127. U char underscore max, maximum value of an unsigned character is what? 255, 0 to 255 unsigned characters are there. Char underscore minimum value for a char, it is similar to signed char, minus 128. Char underscore maximum value for a character, it is similar to signed char, maximum value is like 127 plus 127. Char underscore max, similar to what? S char min, S char max. MB underscore len underscore maximum multi-byte length of a character across all locals. It varies, usually at least 4, it going to be greater than what? 4. Short underscore minimum value of a short int is what? Minus 32,768. Short underscore max, like maximum value of a short int is what? Plus 32,767 when it occupies 2 bytes of memory. U short underscore max unsigned, maximum value of an unsigned short int is 65 plus 65,535. It ranges 0 to 65,535. Int underscore minimum value of an integer when it occupies 4 bytes of memory, then minus 2,147,483,648. Minimum range. Int underscore maximum range, maximum value of an int when it occupies 4 bytes of memory, plus 2,147,483,647. That is a maximum range. Unsigned integer maximum value of an unsigned integer is plus 4, 294,967,295. Long underscore minimum value for a long int. So it consists various bit compilers like 32-bit, 64-bit compilers. It's going to be vary, like this is the range, minus 2,147,483,648. Long underscore maximum value of a long integral type. So this is the bit variation for 64-bit, this value, 32-bit, this value is going to be appearing. U long underscore maximum value of an unsigned long integer. So this is about 32-bit, 4 plus 4, 294,967,295. So if it is 64-bit, this value is going to be appearing. L long min, it is L long underscore minimum value for a long int is minus 9223372036854775808. L long underscore long max value, maximum value for a long integer is plus 92233720336854775,807. That is a maximum range. Unsigned long max means UL long underscore maximum value of an unsigned long int is plus 18,446,744,073,709,551,615. So this is the different ranges what we discussed. We go with one example program, you may understood very easily. Okay, so I try to develop this application in the dev C++. Go to file menu, click on new source file. So I try to write constants in limits header file. Okay, limits.h header file simply. Okay, so this is the comment section. I start for writing header file hash include stdio.h. I start with the main function void main function. Within that I try to print. Printf is a output function, formatted output function. We are printing one constant first. I go with one by one. First I try to print char underscore bit. Okay, so it occupies how many bits? 8 bits, percentile d bits. I try to write. It occupies 8 bits of memory, right? Comma, I try to write char underscore, like 8 bits represents 1 byte of memory. Char underscore bit. Okay, so that's it. Suppose I want to print the new statement, new line. The cursor should be in the new line. Example 1.c. Otherwise, you can write limits example 1.c. .c. Any meaningful name, file name. .c. Save this application. Observe char underscore bit is not available in stdio.h header file. Char underscore bit is available in limits.h header file. Okay. But I try to compile. What will happen? Observe here, it's going to be through what? Compile time error. So what is that error? Error is clearly telling that char underscore bit undeclared first use in this function. Why? Because char underscore bit is not enabled by stdio.h. Char underscore bit constant is not available in stdio.h. Char underscore bit is available in what? Limits.h header file. Okay, so we need to include the new header file here, constants limits.h header file. I try to include one header file called limits.h header file. Now you can compile the application. There is no errors. Now you can run this application. You may get output char underscore bit occupies what? 8 bits of memory. So this is a story about how to print a constants in the limits.h header file. So we try to discuss one by one. So now we discussed about char underscore bit. Similarly, I try to print signed char or char min char max value, signed char min signed char max value, like that we try to print one by one values. Okay, I go with char underscore min. Okay, so I try to print char min. So the constants always represented in what? Capital letters. Okay, so char underscore min. So not it is in a bits, it's a range. Okay, minimum range. Save this application, recompile this application, rerun this application. So it occupies what? Minus 128. Char min. The minimum range of character is what? Minus 128. So as we discussed in the previous sessions as well as in this session explained in the table, right? The size of tables. Char min occupies what? Minus 128. Similarly, I go with char underscore max value. The constant name is char underscore max. See, it is an output message. You can give here any meaningful name, but the constant name should be output variable name should be what? Correct. Okay, char underscore max. Save this application, recompile this application, rerun this application. Observe, it's going to be print char underscore max is plus 127. So this is the char min range and char max range. Char min range is minus 128. Char max range is what? Plus 127. So now I try to print signed character min value. So it is similar to char min. Okay, what is the constant here? S char underscore min. S char underscore min is similar to what? Char underscore min. It is signed character min. So observe, it going to be prints what? Minus 128. It is similar to char underscore min, right? Yes, signed char min value minus 128. So next I try to print S char max value. S char max value. So I am printing schar max value. Recompile this application, rerun this application. See, schar max value occupies what? Plus 127. See, it is similar to what? Char underscore max value plus 127. So next, I try to print what? Unsigned character. It is about signed character. Next, I want to print what? Unsigned character maximum value, because there is no minimum range in the unsigned character, right? See, we can assume that is 0. Minimum range of unsigned character is what? 0. The maximum range of unsigned u char underscore max value is, recompile this application, rerun this application. As we discussed, 255 characters, right? So 0 to 255 characters. That is called unsigned character. See, the range is what? 0 to 255 characters. Similarly, I try to print what? MB underscore length. Okay, I try to print maximum multi-byte length of a character. Okay, MB length max value I try to print. See, what is the constant here? We need to write MB underscore len underscore max value is equals to percentile D. Okay, MB length underscore max value. Okay, represented with what? Percentile D. Save this application. It should be what? Greater than 4. Okay. Recompile this application, rerun this application. It's going to be displayed what? Greater than 4. The value is what? So this is about maximum multi-byte length of a character. Okay. Next, similarly, I try to differentiate now here in the output message. Just I try to draw one dotted lines. So up to here we printed about in detail about what characters. Okay. Next I go with what short type. Okay. I try to print next short type like a short min, short max. Okay. So I try to print now short min. What is a constant name? SHRT, short underscore min. Okay. The name of the constant is what? Short underscore min. See, as we discussed, it occupies 2 bytes of memory. Then it going to be allocate what? Minus 32,768. Okay. See, this is the value about short min minus 32,768 when it occupies what? 2 bytes of memory. Okay. See, now short max value, I want to print what? Short max value, it occupies what? Plus 32,767. Short max value. Save this application, recompile this application, rerun this application. Observe. So it's going to be prints what? Plus 32,767. So in case of short to min, short to min, short to max, what is the range? Minimum range. Short to min range is minus 32,768. The short to maximum range is plus 32,767. Okay. So next I want to print what? Unsigned short max value. Okay. So I try to print the next one is unsigned. Unsigned is U short max. Okay. U short max value I'm going to be printing. Save this application, recompile and rerun. So according to this 65,535. Say unsigned short max value is what? 65,535. So when it occupies what? 2 bytes of memory. Okay. Similarly, I go with the integer data types. Next type is what? Int type. So this is about short type. The short type we discussed how what is the min range of short min, what is the max range of short max, what is the maximum range of unsigned short max value. Similarly, I try to print int min value, the range of int min value. The constant name is int underscore min. Okay. The format specifier is same percentile D. Okay. Save this application, recompile this application, rerun this application. See here integer occupies what? 4 bytes of memory. See that is the range is minus 2147 483648, like long range it going to be taken. If integer occupies 2 bytes of memory, it going to be occupy short min range. Okay, see that is integer is going to be vary based on what? 32 bit and 64 bit. Okay, fine. So next I try to print what? Int underscore max value. Okay, I try to print here int underscore max constant value. Int underscore max. Recompile this application, rerun this application. So this is the range of what? Int underscore max for what? Like 4 bytes of memory, like plus 2147 483647. Okay. Similarly, I go with unsigned int max value. Okay. Unsigned int max value. I try to print with percentile U. Unsigned means what? Percentile U. U int underscore max. Okay. What is the unsigned integer max constant name? U int underscore max. Recompile this application and rerun this application. Any modification in the source code must be recompiled, rerun. Otherwise, we may get previous output only. So we got the unsigned integer max value is 4294967295. See, this is the range of what? 4 bytes of memory. Occupied unsigned integer maximum range. It is 0 to that much of value. Next, I go with what? Long type. See, long also occupies how many bytes here? 4 bytes of memory. It going to be prints the same values of what? Int, because int occupies here 4 bytes of memory. It uses what? Long min, long max, long range only. Okay, observe here, long underscore min. But how to represent? What is the format specifier of long type? Percentile LD. Long representation is what? Percentile LD. Okay. So recompile this application, rerun this application. So we got the output as similar what? Int underscore min, because it occupies 4 bytes of memory. This is the minimum range of what? 4 bytes of memory. Minus 2147483648. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to be print long underscore maximum range of value. Long underscore max. Long underscore max. See this application, recompile this application, rerun this application. Observe here, it's going to be print long underscore max is plus 2147483647. So already int max also occupies the same thing. Why? Because I told you int is going to be vary between the 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay. According to this, it occupies 4 bytes of memory. It takes the range of what? Long type. Okay. So this is about long max value. Okay. Next, unsigned long max. I want to print the next value is what? U long. See, unsigned long means what? U long max. U long underscore max. U long underscore max. What is the format specifier? You can go with what? Percentile LUD or percentile U. Okay. Say this application unsigned long integer. Recompile this application, rerun this application. See, got it? The same value, unsigned long max value, got it? 4294967295. Okay. See, this is about unsigned long max value. So next, I try to print what? The next value, I try to print long min value. See, observe. I try to print long min value. Just I go with L long value. Okay. Here you can also print percentile LU also. Okay, no problem. Both are same. L long underscore min represents what? Long min value. How to represent long min value? You need to write here the format specifier is percentile LLD. L long min value. The range of long min range is percentile LLD. So we got it. So this is the range of what? Long min minus 922233720368547758808. See, that is the long min range value. Similarly, I try to print long max value. The constant is what? L long underscore max percentile LLD. The format specifier is what? Percentile LLD. I am printing long max value. So observe, it going to be prints long max value as we discussed in the table, like a plus 9223372036854775807. That is the long max range value. Last value is what? Unsigned long max value I want to print. Okay, how to print? Just you need to write U L long underscore max value. UL long underscore max value. So how to represent it is percentile LLU. Okay, instead of D, we are going to be writing percentile LLU for unsigned long integer. What is the constant name? UL long underscore max. Unsigned long long underscore max. Recompile this application and rerun this application. So observe what is the output. Yes, we got it, exact output what we discussed in the table, like 1844674407370955165. So in this session we had discussed in detail about how to print the min range and max range available in the constants limits.h header file. So this is what I explained in detail in the previous video session in data types topic, with the character type sizes, short type sizes, int type sizes, long type sizes, long type sizes, with the min range and max range of signed and unsigned types. Okay, see, this is a example program we discussed in detail about what limits.h header file. So just check it out, the table we got the outputs, just compare with this table. This is the outputs we got it, right? For unsigned long max value, long max value, long min value, okay, like long min range value, okay, like int min range value, int max range value, like unsigned integer max value. Similarly go with what char bit value, s char min, signed char min, signed char max, unsigned char max, char min, char max, mb length max. See, as this table we are going to be generated the return the program and we get the output. See here the sizes are going to be vary based on what 32-bit and 64-bit. Okay, I give an example program. So in this session we had discussed in detail about what limits.h header file. So in this limits.h header file it enables some constants like char underscore bit, char underscore min, char underscore max, schar underscore min, schar underscore max. So these are all the constants available in what limits.h header file. Must be write these constants in capital letter only. Okay, these constants are available in limits.h header file but not in stdio.h header file. We must include to execute these constants. Limits.h header file must be included in our source code. So also we discussed the short min range, short max range, unsigned short max range, like int min range, int max range, unsigned int max range, long min range, long max range, unsigned long max range, long min range, long max range, unsigned long max range, with example, and we got the output. Okay, resultant output. Okay, that's it for today's session. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you all.